So today we're gonna be actually trying to restore these seats that I just picked up. So they're off of I think the Hampton edition, the Mini Coopers. So yeah, I'm gonna try to go ahead and all this strip, I'm gonna try to get that to be red, and I'm gonna go ahead and just try to restore some of the black as well. Should be pretty straightforward. I got my Pope with me right now. Say what's up to the vlog, buddy. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and try to restore these seats because I'm running out of time, and we kind of got like a mess and things everywhere because we're doing some work inside the house. But I need to get this done because I'm actually gonna get the car back from paint pretty soon, like in a few days. So there's actually a lot of things going on, and pretty soon I'm gonna be dropping more videos about everything that's going on. But so it's like quote unquote like phase 2, I guess, of what we're doing with the Mini. But yeah, so these are the things that I picked up. So I got this horsehair brush to go ahead and, I know, buddy, I'm about to take you inside. And we got some black restore, we got some red restore, and then we got some leather cleaner from Chemical Guys that I'm gonna go ahead and use with this very lightly. There's no need to go abrasive with this. And then this is what I'm gonna be using to apply the coats. So yeah, that's our goal for today. I might do some of the work on the GoPro, but I'm gonna go ahead and put the camera right there on that bucket, and yeah, try to get that done. I also kind of want to restore this like red because they got like faded pink. So yeah, I'm gonna try to go ahead and do that, but I'm not sure if we're gonna do that today. So yeah, we'll see what we get done. But I'll catch you guys in a bit. Peace. Anybody no? Ace. Hey, no. Ace. Down, buddy. You know, honestly, guys, I was gonna say, you know, there's no need for gloves or anything, but honestly, nowadays, you know, there's so many things that are popping up that even for things like this, simple leather cleaner, you know, you don't really know what's in it. It's better to wear gloves. Don't do what I do. But I mean, it's pretty much, you don't really need to do too much on this. You can just tell that it's already doing its job. The brush is really nice. Try to get into all these cracks and crevices, but you don't need to do too much of this. So I'm gonna go ahead and I might just spray a little bit more. and just go ahead and clean that off. So that's what's cool about this, that it doesn't seem to be a conditioner, it just seems to be a cleaner. So that's what's pretty cool about it. So yeah, I was gonna actually hold off on this, but we're getting the car back literally days. So I just prefer to get this done and because I'm not gonna leave it white, the strip. I would rather just knock it out the way and let it cure for a bit, so that way once we get the car back, everything's nice, dry, cured, ready to go. So hey, these seats are hard to get, so these were a pretty good come up. You know, I just gave them a little cleaning, and look how sweet that came out. There's all like literally like almost no damage, you know. So these are like, I would say 2008, and I got them for 200 bucks for both the pair on Facebook Marketplace, and yeah, it was a steal. So these seats are going anywhere from just the pair, just the front, like $700, $800. So and the condition is crazy. Like, this is probably the worst part of the seats. So yeah, let's keep going, guys. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and lay the other one down same way as this one and just repeat the process. So go ahead and do that. Now we have both of the seats nice and clean. I'm gonna go ahead and clean the bottom and all that crap after. I just want to go ahead and get the hard part out the way first. So alright guys, this camera's already letting me know it's getting kind of hot, so I might let it cool off for a bit and then come back. So I'll get back with you guys in a little bit. Just wanted to show you guys in a little bit more detail. I'm just like, I know, it looks, like I said, not perfect, but we're really trying to tuck it in, so you want it as tucked as possible. That way, you know, you're just getting the strip. So I actually have some trim tools, so maybe after I might try to tuck it in a little bit better once I lay down all the tape. But yeah, this is kind of what you want, because honestly, if you half-ass this shit and then once you know, you start dyeing it and things, it's gonna be a pain in the ass to like clean up and try to just manage it there at that point. So it's just better to I think for me, the hardest part about this little job is to paint this red, and not really the black or the white, because if I was just keeping it, I would have just cleaned it up, it would have been, I guess I could have redyed it white, but yeah, so all of that work is just, the most important thing is masking. Whenever you're gonna do anything with this, masking, because it's all about making your life easier, you know what I mean? So anyways, just want to show you guys that, but continue now. Alright guys, so now that we're on the GoPro, you guys get a little better POV. So just trying to get you guys different angles. So it's not coming out obviously like super perfect, but it's just enough to get the job done. So I'm just trying to protect this, trying to tuck it all in, that way the red dye that I'm gonna be using doesn't bleed. Doesn't bleed into the black. I just want to get the white red, so I'm trying to make it look as clean as possible. You hear the doggies in the background. My bad, they're trying to hang out with me, but can't really be in the garage. Yeah, so let's go ahead and knock this done. Let's go ahead and get this over with. My bad, but if you guys hear the doggies in the background, it's just because they're trying to hang out with me, but they can't really be in the garage, so well, right now. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this over with. I find that it's best to let it ride while you're pulling. Let it ride on the strip, and with your fingernail push down into it, trying to tuck it in. I'll try to see if I can get a better angle for you guys. I have to adjust the GoPro. I feel like the GoPro's a little looking down, but I'm pretty sure you guys get what I mean. And yeah, it's just doing it that way. It's kind of good that my fingernails are kind of longer. So just try to tuck that in. Let me put the GoPro a little bit higher. Okay. But yeah, guys, there's a lot of things going on with this car right now. Even these seats, like, it's gonna feel like a completely different car, even though it's the same car. It's kind of crazy. Like, there's a lot of little things that we're changing. So I'm trying to record as much as I can, things like this, but honestly it is kind of hard to pick up the camera, especially when you're busy and you're just like, damn, I gotta record this, and you're like already halfway through the job. Sometimes that happens, just trying to get things over with. But yeah, it's hard, but it's manageable, and I'm trying, so trying to get as much content as we can for you guys, because honestly I don't see any mini content, and I don't know for how long I'm gonna have this car. I don't know for how long it's gonna be in the condition that it's gonna be and that it's been. So it's just, I gotta try to make as much memories and content with it right now. So that's what I'm trying to do for you guys, so bear with me, all right? Bruh, my GoPro literally just overheated. What the fuck? So I'm gonna go ahead and let it cool off. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up, and then we'll hop on the other camera for the other seat, and we'll try to get some more GoPro footage. But yeah, it's overheating on me, guys. So deuces. All right, y'all. So I'm pretty much done, but I'm just trying to finalize everything, and then I gotta do the headrest. But that's gonna take like a few seconds. But honestly, my biggest holdup right now was using this using this regular electrical tape all the way to like there is where I have to, you know, try to mask. Dude, that shit does not want to stick. So I even went ahead and just finished up the other seat, but same thing, you know, and both of them go all the way down. So that's literally the hardest part to mask, because the electrical tape doesn't want to stick. And I'll probably show you guys with the other camera. They literally have to get like you have to get it to stick to the leather, pushing the electrical tape behind there. So I'm honestly happy with how it came out, but I wanted to tell you guys, I almost gave up. So this is regular electrical tape, and this one is extreme temp electrical tape. Well, the extreme temp one definitely sticks way better. I don't know if it's the heat, moisture, or what, but I would definitely recommend doing the extreme heat one to try to mask. I don't know if there's other tapes that are like better for leather, but honestly, this seems to be the best solution for now. So we're almost done. I just wanted to show you guys that because that was pretty crazy just dealing with that. So thank God that I have that other tape and that it works. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish it up, and yeah, I'll get back to you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so I would say this job done. I think my camera's about to turn off because these are the crevices that I was telling you that it was really hard to get at. But I'm trying to be quick because I think my camera's about to overheat. But now that we already got all this masked up, let's go ahead and get our red dye with our pads and go ahead and start dyeing it before it gets too late. So I'm gonna try to get another battery for my GoPro right now that I have because it's dead as well, and see as much as we could record, but I need to move quickly. So I'll get back at you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead, open up these pads, get some dye on the pad, and go ahead and just start dyeing them. But I don't think I'm gonna be really talking too much, but I should wear gloves. But anyways, so I don't think I'm gonna be talking too much. I might just put some music over, but that's what I'm gonna be doing, guys. So let's get this over with. Alright guys, so before the camera dies and I have to charge the batteries, this is our little progress right now that we got going on. So from far, you guys could kind of see what I was trying to do, and yeah, honestly it's coming out really good, but you gotta do, like, come on, focus. You have to kind of do coats and coats and coats and coats. So yeah, that's what I've been doing. So let's go ahead and finish it up. I'll catch you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so I'm on the GoPro now, and I'm gonna use this Q-tip to try to get into all the areas that I wasn't able to. And I already mentioned that I have these Sharpies that are for leather, and so that's gonna probably help out much better. But just to try to get as much of this dye on there as I could. Push them right here. Dude, that would have been so crazy using this Q-tip for the whole thing. But honestly, it seems to work. What the? Where's my piece of tape? Hold on. I'm missing some tape right there. Let me go ahead and put some tape first, and then continue on. Cap your stuff. Always. Okay. So I was gonna flip you guys over, but anyways, so this little piece missing right here. Honestly, guys, anytime you work on a car, like any car, doesn't matter. Always, not only finesse, but always, oh shit, always try to have as much patience as you possibly can. So, always. Okay, shit. Did I get paint on my GoPro? Now we're good. Let's continue on. Wow, guys, this Q-tip seems to really do the trick. It's crazy. Alright guys, so this is where we're pretty much at. We already got pretty much about 2 coats laid down, and I'm gonna go ahead and lay down this, finish up this like 2nd coat and see how it looks from there. But I may add another coat after, so a total of 3 coats. And then for all like the really hard areas, because I don't really have a brush, I may use a Q-tip, but I also have these Sharpie pens for leather, so I may end up just using those for all the cracks and crevices. But honestly, it looks really good, so I'm gonna keep going. But this is where we're at, guys, so go ahead and put you guys over here and just finish off what we started. But yeah, as you guys can see, look how bright red this is, and look how faded pink this is. So I'm not sure if I have some red spray paint, but I did have some from my calipers. I was gonna maybe think of like soaking some up and on that pad and applying some, but I may just have to get something else and do that later on in a few days. This was my main concern. So now we got this over with. Yeah, much better. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply one more coat, and should be it. I'm ready to get roasted or something, dude. Alright. But honestly, guys, I think we're done. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean up. I'm just gonna have to be a little patient because they said that they're gonna be here in October. So if we're already in August, just 2 more months. But look, guys, they honestly came out freaking fire, dude. Fuck. Fire, dude. Fire. Yeah, it just came out super clean. So it's gonna look really nice too once I restore the black. But and we'll restore the rest. So alright, guys, catch you guys in the, I don't know if I should show you guys me touching it up, but actually I'm not gonna end the video here. I'll get back with you guys in a little